You guys, what do you got against Terry Benedict?
What do you have against him? That's the question.
He torpedoed my casino. Muscled me out. Now he's gonna blow it up next month to make way for some gaudy monstrosity. Don't think I don't see what you're doing.
What are we doing, Ruben?
You're gonna steal from Terry Benedict. You better goddamn know. This sort of thing used to be civilized. You'd hit a guy, he'd whack you, done. But with Benedict, at the end of this, you better not know you're involved. Not know your names or think you're dead, because he'll kill you. And then he'll go to work on you.
That's why we have to be very careful. Very precise. Well funded.
Yeah. You gotta be nuts, too. And you're gonna need a crew as nuts as you are. What do you got in mind?